Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're at Pinky's Iron Doors showcasing our single Air 8 arch. This door is a 42 by 96, which measures from the outside to outside, 42 inches. From the top of the frame to the bottom of the threshold is 96 inches. This door is featuring a Loy glass right-hand in-swing, which means it opens this direction with a 6-inch jamb. This is an oil rub bronze door, and it has an operable glass. Also, a screen is optional if you like to do a screen. You can do a custom order on a screen. And I'm going to flip this around and show you guys what the back side of this door looks like. So we're on the back side of the Air 8. I'm going to show you guys how the glass opens. You basically untwist the knobs, open them. Glass opens up. This could be used for ventilation with or without a screen. Also, it's originally designed for clean the glass a lot easier, so you don't have to go through, this one's pretty simple, but you don't have to put your hands between the glass and the scroll work or the bars to try to clean it. Makes it a lot easier to clean. Some people like to use it for ventilation. All our doors feature dual seal on the glass, so those areas that are a little windy, we found that adding this stopped the whistling. So we have a seal on the glass, and we have another seal on the actual door. All our doors have, the bottom piece is slanted down, which is key for if rain hits, it won't collect here and come inside the house or rot out the metal over time. So it's got a little slant to it. This was our showcase for our Pinky's Air 8 arch door, single arch door. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkysirondors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677 and talk to one of the sales guys, and they'll help you guys out. My name is Dion. Hope you guys enjoy this. I'll see you guys on the next door. Thank you.